Hey guys, we are back, and today I'll be unboxing and giving my initial review for the JOLLYWELL Light Therapy Lamp. This one is $35.99 in Amazon right now. So we're gonna go see if that is worth the price. So if you guys are living in a place where the winter gets really dark and you need something for pick-me-up mood kind of help, this might be the one you're looking for. Me need this kind. Okay, it's a pretty big box, so you guys can see. There we go, I need a table. Okay, now let's go see together. Nicely packed, as you guys can see. Comes with a plug. I guess this is not battery operated. We'll see. Okay, pretty big. And here is the manual. Okay, again, this is the JOLLYWELL brand. I like the look of this. Okay, so if you guys have seen an iMac, this kind of looks like that. Look at that. It's so cool, right? And then you can, looks like you can tilt it. So this is the furthest you can go, and you can just move it. Nice. And then there is all the touch screen here. See, does it have a battery? Nope, I have to plug it in. So the plug is in the back. I don't know what this is for, but let me go plug it in and see. Hopefully this is long kind of cord. So if you're planning to put it in front of your computer or right on your bedside, pretty long. Okay, so that's a good thing. So let me plug this in. Easy to plug in, which is good. And there is a hole in here, so you don't have to worry about having an issue of dragging it. So it's easy for you to move it up and down based on that. I'm not sure what this is for, so we're gonna go maybe find out. So as soon as you plug it in, you can see the power button is light up, so you know it's working. And now let's go press it. Nice and bright. So that is number one, I guess, because there are dots in here. Oh, it turns off. Okay. Maybe I have to press it. Oh, maybe I have. Oh, you have to press it there. Operator error. That's me. Okay, try again. Huh? Okay. Oh, why is it?
The second dot.
Okay, there is second dot. There is only one more. That. Oh, there. I told you guys I am the operator error. Okay. This is doing really good. Okay, raw footage right there. I'm not editing this, it's taking a long time. Okay, number 3. This is a very sensitive screen, guys. So it's very nice. So even if you're half asleep or a little drunk, I'm not drunk, but if you guys are sleepy or something, okay. Nice, ooh, nice and warm. Well, it's not warm, but it feels warm. Ah, blinded. Okay, and then there is the timer in the bottom. Let's go make it number 1, so it's not too much. Then there is the timer, 10 minutes, 20, 30, and all the way to number 60 seconds. Not seconds, minutes. 60 minutes, all right? Okay, this is really not doing so well. But you guys get the idea what is happening with the light. And then turning it off is just press the button, just like that. And that is that. Is it worth $35? It is for me. I love the look of it. And if I have to buy a LED light that is smaller than this, it's much more expensive. And this one is super nice. Look at that. It's really well made, and this is metal. And then there is this non-skid in the bottom. So hopefully, I don't think even if you have a cat who likes to jump on places, this will hold in place, it seems, because it's pretty sturdy, it feels. So, do I agree with the price? Yes. Do I think it is a good quality? Yes, and I love this part here where you operate it. It's just me who's having some issues, but it is super easy to adjust the lights and putting on the timer. Alrighty guys, and on that silly note, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J. Make sure you guys hit the like button for more fun videos like these. And if you guys have any suggestion and if you guys have bought these, let me know what you guys think. I would love to know how long you have it and if it's helping you with your mood, and maybe it will help me too. And with that said, I hope you guys have a wonderful one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.